Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to reset our TikTok feed. So let's move on our video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok. Now click on the profile option at the bottom right corner of the page. Then you will find here your own account. You have to click on the three lines at the top right. So you have to click on the free up space here. You will find here the two options, catch and downloads. You can see here my usage in MBs 91.0 at catchy and at download 0.4. Click on the clear option in front of the catchy. You will find here the two options, cancel and clear. You must select clear here. You will find here 0.0 MB. Now select the download clear option and also clear it. You will find here 0.0 MB at the catchy and the downloads as well. So we have to move back at home page. You can search here the options that you want. Like I'm searching here the subject coffee. That is not really in the one that I basically it's for to customize your own TikTok feed. So yes, that's all. TikTok feed has been cleared or reset. I hope you enjoyed the video a lot. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you.